This video was produced based on the criteria for obtaining ABS Advanced Certificates. FCAW2, G, and 3G are test-taking processes worldwide, so it will help you a lot if you refer to them. Preparation. Prepare at about 15 to 20 degrees. Tap piece attached to the start or end point for arc stabilization and prevention of welding defects. Welding backing tape. Please use ceramic backing, 8061 for vertical position. Tack welding. You have placed the test piece on a flat plate and add it. A step may occur if temporary folding is made in an uneven place. Make sure to place it on a flat plate and add it. Please check the root interval and the step difference and add it. Be careful not to weld it to the temporary folding board when temporarily folding. 9T root spacing, construction of approximately 3 to 4 millimeters. 12T root spacing, construction of approximately 4.5 to 5 millimeters. Welding backing tape. Please use ceramic backing 8061 for vertical position. Please attach the red line of the backing material so that it is located in the middle of the test piece and attach it closely to the base material. Root pass welding. Welding progress angle. Please proceed at about 60 degrees. Welding work angle. Please proceed with the working angle at about 90 degrees. Root pass welding. The progress angle should be about 60 degrees, so fix the base metal low to the knee level. When welding, look down the diagonal line. Weaving method. While weaving left-right, drag the molten water and proceed. Please proceed with the wire length of about 15 to 17 millimeters. Please move to the left and right and drag the water. If you practice in advance before welding and perform the main welding, you will be able to weld more stably. Always do main welding after rehearsal. Root pass beads should be welded flat. 2-pass welding. Welding progress angle weld with the progress angle maintained at approximately 85 to 90 degrees during welding. Welding work angle when welding. Weld while maintaining the working angle of about 90 degrees. Weaving method. Zigzag weaving while staying in the goal of the left-right bead. Please weld with about 1 to 1.5 millimeters left to facilitate surface welding. Please weld with about 1 to 1.5 millimeters left to facilitate surface welding. Weld the wire length at about 15 to 17 millimeters, keeping it as short as possible. You must stay at both ends of the left and right to weld the melt as it spreads flat. Welding is required with about 1 to 1.5 millimeters left to facilitate surface welding. Surface welding. Weaving method. Weaving proceeds in zigzags and proceeds while sufficiently melting the edge of the improvement angle of the base material. There is a way to weave quickly, and on the contrary, there is a way to weave slowly. There are many other ways of weaving. I hope you find a way to weaving that suits you through practice. This video was welded by Slowly Weaving. While slowly weaving, proceed while sufficiently melting the improvement angle line left in the middle layer. You can stay in the center and work little by little from left to right. So far, we've learned about the flux-cored arc welding 3G underview posture. If you have any questions about flux-cored arc welding, thank you.